To guide coding agents in making informed decisions and accurately using open source libraries at the correct versions, we need to provide the agents with the necessary contextual information about the libraries they're coding against. We're starting from within Claude Code. We want to build a new MCP server, and I know I want to use fast MCP. So I start by asking Claude Code to search for the latest usage spec for fast MCP. It searches the Tessl Spec registry using the Tessl MCP server we connected earlier. We found a usage spec at version 2.12.2 for fast MCP, so we'll go ahead and install it onto our machine. This will download it onto my file system for my agent to use. Let's go back to the file system and take a look at the usage specs we downloaded for fast MCP. Tessl Spec registry will hold one or more usage specs per library. In this case, we have 10. Let's take a look at the authentication usage spec that describing the APIs and intended usage. This information is vital for our agent to code effectively using fast MCP. I've now given my agent the knowledge and context it needs to code effectively with open source libraries using Tessl's usage specs.